season this jerk chicken. And of course, we're gonna be using two of my products, the DivineKuizine Jerk Jerk Seasoning, and also we're gonna glaze it with the DivineKuizine Jerk Sauce. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna, and I've already cleaned and washed and dried the chicken wings. We're gonna do whole chicken wings today. And I use vinegar, but you can use whatever you like. You can use, I know some people wash their chicken with like lemon or lime, but I usually just wash mine in white distilled vinegar. All right, so let's get started. So we have some garlic powder. We have some onion powder, complete seasoning. You know I love my seasoned pepper. Some salt. Don't worry, I'll have all the measurements at DivineKuizine.com so you can get the full recipe. And we're gonna do a little bit of cayenne pepper in here. That's optional, you don't necessarily have to do that because this depends on what your heat intake, because when we do the DivineKuizine Jerk Seasoning, it has heat also in it because it's made with Scotch bonnet peppers. We have our green seasoning. And the star of the show is our DivineKuizine Jerk Seasoning. So I'm gonna put about 4 teaspoons in here, but like I said, you have to figure out what your hot intake. The more you put in here, the more heat it will be. And of course, I did put that that red pepper in here, so that's gonna make it hot. It's more hot as well. And then we're going to go ahead and we're gonna put a little bit of oil. This is olive oil. And then I'm going to just massage everything and make sure that everything is well seasoned. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna massage all this together. It would be good if you could do this ahead of time, but since I'm cooking this for a demonstration, of course I haven't cooked it ahead of time, but it would be good if you could put it overnight, or at least for 2 or 3 hours, up to 8 hours. So then it could get all the nice seasonings in there, and it could just, you know, submerge in the into the chicken. Start at 425 and start for the 25 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the oven for about 25 minutes, and we'll see how they're going. We'll flip them, we're gonna glaze them, and go on to our next step basically. So let's get into these jerk wings using the DivineKuizine Jerk Sauce and the DivineKuizine Jerk Seasoning. So now I'm going to go in for the taste. I'm excited. I got my little plate. What that man be saying, tenderized. Let's go in for the taste. They sweet, they spicy, they tender. It's like the perfect, it's like the perfect marriage, because this is more spice. So you get that in the back of your throat, you get that spiciness, but then it's not too bearable because then you use the jerk sauce that has the tamarind in it. So it gives you that it gives you more of that sweet, because tamarind, you know, they use that for candies and it's a little sweeter. So it gives you that, and it's just delicious. I'm gonna go in for another bite. But like I said, it's sweet, it's tender, it's got the right spice. All I need is like some plantains and rice and peas with this. I mean, it's delicious. Great marriage, great jerk chicken. To get this recipe and more, go to DivineKuizine.com. But I'm about to go in and kill these because when I say they sweet, they spicy, just like me. Love y'all. Shay.